What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable fingerprint always on in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on biometrics and then click on fingerprints. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and after that here you will see a fingerprint always on button. So if you want to disable fingerprint always on, then turn off this button, and if you want to enable fingerprint always on, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can enable or disable fingerprint always on in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.